If you want to combine quick settings and notifications together, if you wish to be able to open notifications and have some quick settings, options, shortcuts at the top, just like you could do that, you had that on some older Samsung Galaxy devices. To do so, first we need to go to the quick settings panel over here, tap on this pen icon that we have at the top. Then we're gonna choose panel settings in the upper left corner, and you want to switch in here from separate to together. And there we go. You can of course edit the top settings, top shortcuts that we have in notifications, and there are some additional options as well that you can go through if you want to. Tap on done here, and now if you go back, as you can see we have notifications with some of the quick settings shortcuts. If I open notifications, I still have them over here. And if I want to open quick settings, I have to swipe down in notification tray. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.